Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to share two different ways how to boil perfect rice with a drained method or with an absorption method. So let's check out the recipe. I have taken here 1 cup of basmati rice. Wash the rice 2-3 times with water. When you first wash the rice, the water will look slightly milky or white. Drain that water and wash the rice again. Eventually water will look quite clear. At that point, we can soak the rice for 15 minutes. Soaking process allows the rice to absorb moisture and we will get longer grain of rice. After 15 minutes, drain the water. Firstly, I am cooking rice with drained method. For that, put a pot of 5 to 6 cup of water on a high heat. When you see bubbles are coming at the bottom of the pot, add 1 teaspoon of salt if you like salted rice. Add rice and add half teaspoon of oil and let it come to the boil on high flame. Once rice comes to a boil, then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is completely optional, but lemon juice works as an whitening agent for the rice and our rice will become more white and bright. But if you want to skip the lemon juice, you can skip it. Cook the rice on medium to high flame for 6 to 8 minutes. You can see how nicely rice are boiling. You can check the rice by pressing between your fingers. If it's flattening complete, it means rice are cooked. If it's breaking into parts, it means rice are not cooked yet. And our rice are cooked here perfectly. Drain the rice with a strainer. Now you can see your rice. If your rice are perfectly cooked, that's the way you want it. Just remove the excess hot water from the bottom of the rice. Otherwise, the steam from the water will cook it more. If you think your rice are undercooked, leave it on top of this hot water and cover it for 5 minutes. The steam will help to cook it right. Or if you think your rice are overcooked, just rinse it through the cold water and you can stop the cooking process at that time and you will get perfect rice. And as here my rice was perfectly cooked, so I just removed the excess water from the bottom. You can see how nice, white and bright and not sticky at all. Perfect rice are boiled here or cooked here. So just serve in a bowl. Whatever the excess water we got from the rice, like what we drained from the rice, we can save that water and use it for the soup as it has a good amount of starch in it. Whenever we cook rice with the drained method, rice becomes little lighter as excess starch or water is already drained out from the rice, so they becomes lighter and easier to digest. Now let's move on to our absorption method of cooking rice. Here I take again 1 cup of basmati rice and I wash it the same way and then I soak it for 15 minutes. And after soaking, drain the excess water from the rice. Now transfer the soaked rice in an empty pot. Add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. We are using 2 times the water of rice. So if you're taking a glass or cup or bowl, any measurement for the rice, just double the water. Add half teaspoon salt if you like salted rice. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. And I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. That's completely optional. And give it a mix. Now put the pot of rice on a stove. Cover the pot and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. Do not open the lid in between. And you can see how nicely rice are boiling inside. After 8 minutes, open the lid and take a look inside. If there is still some water left, cover it back and let it cook for another 2 minutes or until all the water absorbed by the rice. If your rice doesn't have any water or all the water is absorbed by the rice, switch off the heat, cover the rice back and let it be in the steam for up to 5 minutes without heat. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you can see the rice with the fork. You can fluff up the rice with the fork and you can see the rice are not sticky at all and they are well cooked. So let's serve in a bowl. And here our rice are ready with both methods, drained method and absorption method. You can choose the way you want to make it. Both way you can make perfect rice. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Ranju's Food Fusion for more recipes. So this was the quick and easy recipe for how to boil perfect rice. But if you want to make biryani or fried rice, drain method rice works well for that. Please try the recipe and enjoy.